2 years ago, Mohit was 3 times as old as his son, and 2 years hence, twice of Mohit's age will be equal to 5 times that of his son. Then the present age of Mohit is. See here, this problem is really tough. You have to divide this problem into 3 parts. One is present, second is 2 years ago, and next is 2 years hence. Okay. So at present, let Mohit's age be x. So is anything given about his son's age at present? No. So directly move on to 2 years ago. 2 years ago, what was Mohit's age? Mohit's age was, today is x. So 2 years ago it was x minus 2. So that time Mohit's age was 3 times that of his son's age. Okay. So his son's age will be what? Son's age multiplied by 3 equals to Mohit's age. Right? That's what is given in the question. So son's age will be what then? Mohit's age, that is x minus 2 upon 3. Right? This is 2 years ago. So Mohit's age 2 years ago is x minus 2. Son's age 2 years ago is x minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Now this is over. Now 2 years hence. Okay. Before that, find son's age today. So 2 years ago it was x minus 2 upon 3. So today it is plus 2. So x minus 2 upon 3 plus 2. So it becomes 3 to the 6 and all this, and x plus 4 upon 3. So this is the son's age today. Now we want 2 years hence. 2 years hence, see here, what is Mohit's present age now? That is x. What is son's present age? Just now we found out, x plus 4 upon 3. So 2 years hence, Mohit's age will be x plus 2. Son's age will be x plus 4 upon 3, that is present age, plus 2. So solve this. 3 to the 6, x plus 4 plus 6 upon 3, that is x plus 10 upon 3, right? That is son's age, and this is Mohit's age. But what is given? Twice of Mohit's age means that is equal to 5 times his son's age. So find each one separately. Twice of Mohit's age means 2 into x plus 2, right? So that is 2x plus 4. Got it? Next, 5 times son's age. So 5 into x plus 10 upon 3, right? This is 2 years hence son's age. So 5 times x plus 10 upon 3. Solve this. You get 5x plus 50 upon 3. Okay. Both you have got. Twice Mohit's age and 5 times son's age. So as per the question, after 2 years, twice Mohit's age equals to 5 times son's age. So these two would be equal now. That's why 2x plus 4, these two, 2x plus 4 equals to 5x plus 50 upon 3, because that's what is given. So solve this. Cross multiply 3 over here. It becomes 3 into 2x plus 4 equals to 5x plus 50. Multiply this. 3 into 2, 6x plus 12 equals to 5x plus 50. Take 5x on this side, 12 on this side. 6x minus 5x. 5 becomes minus over here. And this 12 becomes minus. So this becomes x, and 50 minus 12 is 38. So that is Mohit's age. If the son's age is asked, then the son's age would be x plus 10 upon 3. So 38 plus 10 upon 3, 48 by 3, that is 16. But that is not asked in the question. So Mohit's age is 38. That was the problem. It was really tough. Next.